It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, August 15th. I'm James Spann. A few scattered showers about today. We're expecting to see an increase in the number of showers and storms later this week. There's the water vapor satellite view across the nation. The little weakness that brought that big rain to Louisiana in recent days, that's pretty much over Oklahoma and Texas. Got ridging here and widely scattered showers. They are random. Moving north, and those will die down once the sun sets later this evening. Probably the same type thing tomorrow, but again, starting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we should begin to see an increase in the number of those. There's the visible satellite view. Field of cumulus clouds across the state, just a classic summer day, although temperatures are a little below average. We should be in the low 90s this time of the year, but we have mostly upper 80s on the board. Birmingham 87. Anniston, Tuscaloosa, 88. Really, the only spots at 90 are Huntsville and Montgomery. There's a watch warning map, flash flood watches for parts of South and Southeast Texas, and from Missouri, the southeastern part of the state, up through Indianapolis and over to Detroit with that moisture plume coming up from the south. Marginal risk of severe storms well to the north of the state today. Tomorrow, the standard slight risk for parts of Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, no organized severe weather expected around the nation. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. The bigger numbers west of the state. The bullseye's out around the Arklatex, about 4.8 inches there. Amounts for North Alabama, about 1.5 inches. Lighter amounts down to the south. Tropical weather. A tropical wave emerged off the African coast yesterday. That's south of the Cape Verde Islands. And it's that time of the year. We'll see those coming off the coast from time to time. This might try and develop in the short term, but in the long term, it's going to encounter dry air. There's the GEFS ensemble guidance. You see it's gaining latitude. Cooler water, and typically when it gets up in that zone, it recurves. The chance of that bothering really any landmass at this point looks very small. So, on to modeling. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 597 heat ridge, kind of sitting just off the Atlantic coast, trying to nose in here. But, again, thankfully, the heat won't be that bad. We're expecting low 90s in most spots. And, again, like today, a few widely scattered showers and storms by afternoon. Coverage probably not that high. Wednesday, the heights begin to come down, the air aloft a little colder, the air a little more unstable. So we should begin to see an increase in the number of scattered showers and storms, the high around 90. Same thing Thursday, and pretty much the same thing on Friday. I'd say highs between 88 and 91 Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms each day. What about the weekend? Not much change. This is Saturday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine with pretty decent chance of a few passing showers and storms. The GFS is printing a high of 89, and pretty much the same thing on Sunday. And we note on Sunday a surface boundary that's kind of clipping that northwestern corner of Tennessee down through central Arkansas. And the question is, can the dry air behind that front reach us? Probably not. This is Monday. You can see troughing north of the state, but there's really nothing to drive that thing through here. And this run stops the front up around Muscle Shoals. So this is suggesting still a chance of scattered showers and storms Monday with a high most likely in the upper 80s. Just fronts have a hard time pushing through here in August. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, the 25th. Still got a flat 588 ridge, and that looks relatively quiet with some dry air trying to creep in from the north. But again, that's pretty hard to see lower dew points this time of the year. Hey, check out these numbers. Pretty interesting in that we've got low 90s in coming days, but really beginning Friday and for the rest of the month, highs in the upper 80s. And that verifies those numbers are, generally speaking, below average for this time of the year, and nobody's griping about that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.